Day 182 of the Chronicles. It's Tuesday, 6:48. I think it's my new starting time. See the pattern. I don't know. It's just how long it takes me to get ready when I wake up after 2 slaps of the old snooze button. So, yeah, so I didn't really do much last night. I went back in to do the video, I guess as soon as I started uploading it, internet stopped working. Why? So I sat there, Corinne got home, and I reset the modem, and I guess eventually it started working. So I went to bed, and she got ready and came to bed, and I had her find something to watch on TV, because I got to fall asleep to something. And the F for Family was just, I don't know, well, we finished it anyway, but even though I didn't see the last episode. But, I don't know, so I said, can't you find one of your, like, documentary things that you watch all the time? So just watch something you want to watch. So I think we ended up on Once Upon a Time. I think we started it somewhere in the middle of it, because I didn't know what was going on, she didn't know what was going on, but it didn't matter, it's alright for me. She got her Walt Life box yesterday, but of course didn't get to open it, so I have no idea what's in it. So today, I think I've got a termite job and maybe an eval. Yeah, termite job and an eval, and a mosquito spray, because we got to save that extra mile, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, we'll drive now. All right, we made it. 7:46. A little later than usual, but still on time. So we'll see how today goes. Hopefully it's good. So I went to a QT, and that was super sketchy. Whoa! It's like half the people didn't have masks, there's people going in and out the doors. They're just everywhere, standing up on you. Whew, that was sketchy. So if this thing was like super contagious, we'd all have it. But the reason I went to QT is because yesterday I ordered a pizza, and they ordered a 2-liter of Pepsi. Of course, they didn't have any 2 liters of Pepsi, so she's gonna bring me like 4 small drinks of Pepsi, and then she brought me a Sierra Mist 2-liter. So I'm not sure what was up with that. Then today I went to Burger King, and they're like, our drink machine's down. So I'm like, I'm gonna get a Pepsi today. So at what cost? At what cost? Better be good Pepsi. All right, 5:30, and I am out. I think Jordan just got back, so like I said, don't leave a man out. It's a kind of chaotic day. It's Chaotica. It sounds like some kind of like synth pop band from like the 90s. I love Chaotica. Singer's so hot. Okay. Had termite treatment due this morning. Blitzed through that pretty quick. Came back to the office and threw my eval and the mosquito on Jordan, and I grabbed another termite treatment. Of course, it was like way out at Lake Wiley, which I didn't realize that. So it took me like a bit to get there. And it was a monster house on the lake. So it took a minute, but I just stayed steady and got it knocked out. Because that's what I do. I stay steady and I get stuff knocked out. I got done. So went by like Carowinds Boulevard, and I had a really good shot of Carowinds, and I was like, oh wow, I could see like almost everything. Well, not really, but a lot of Carowinds. But you know, interior camera. I don't want to like get in trouble. So anyway, so I got 2 termite jobs done today. Not too bad. So it was hot as oh get out today. I tell you what, I was just pouring sweat. It's just humid as all. It's stupid humid. So nobody offered me a water because why would they? So I mean that's what it is. So anyway, I'm gonna merge now. I'll get ready to. All right, it is 6:32. What was that? I don't know. And I'm at home. Just got home, taking the dog for his piddles. Talked to Mom and Dad a little bit on the way home. I know you're like, again, it's a Tuesday, but I guess Mom had tests today. She's got this heartbeat that's like super fast and it's like super slow. It's like it's an AFib maybe, something. I don't really know exactly. But I know like she'll go from the car to the house and you would think she ran a marathon with as much as she's gasping for airs. So, but they're gonna have to shock her heart or something. Not stop it, just shock it to maybe try to get it back in rhythm. So, I don't know. So they were telling me about that test, and it's now raining because I don't know, taking the dog out. Also, I got stuff from Shop Disney on the porch, and it's kind of funny because I, honest to goodness, cannot remember what I bought. I know one thing I bought, but I remember I bought it because I was like, well, I might as well get this because it's on sale and on clearance, and it was super cheap. But I don't remember what else I got. That's not what I bought. I mean, that's just something I got extra because it was on clearance. So, not real sure what I got. I'm pretty sure it's not just that. So, we'll see. You'll see. Gonna let him use his bathrooms, and then I'll grab the box and see what it is. Of course, he's gonna roll. Let's go potty, buddy. Come on, let's go potty. Let's go potty. It's gonna rain. Let's go potty. But yeah, it was I had to call Dad back because my tech called, and I don't know, he's getting a bit frustrated with the amount of stuff and how he's got no time to do anything. And you know, I don't know, this is why I'm not a really good leader, because I think I don't view technicians as lesser than me necessarily. And I think maybe it's because I am a technician too. Maybe if I didn't have to go out in the field and sell termite work and do termite work and do mosquito jobs and do everything they got to do, I know how bad it sucks because I do it. And it's just hard for me to work side by side with someone as a team and then turn around and act like I'm your boss. I'm not very good at that. I think that's kind of been my downfall as a leader, because every leader I've ever been around does not do that. They basically tell you what to do, and then they sit there and watch you do it. They might show you how to do it at first, and then they watch you do it, and then they go sit in the truck, answer emails or something. I'm not sure, but I'm not the kind of person to do that. So because of that, I think it has hurt me in my career. So I think it's called servant leadership or something, I'm not sure. But I just can't make that separation because, you know, like I said, we're working as a team. So, I don't know. But anyway, so he called about that. And I think the owner's coming in town next week. So I need to get all my mentals ready for that. It might be good. It should be good because I feel like we're kind of hitting a stride. We're up to 14, like in a month, basically, of liquid treatments, and I don't know, 15 or so bait stations, and then maybe 10 to 20, maybe more than that, like just wood destroying organisms like carpenter ants and carpenter bees. So, I mean, you know, in a month's time, it's pretty jamming, or 2 months time if you count the bait stations from the month before. But yeah, so I don't know. I think it's pretty good, but we'll see. So I just need to be ready for that because Ain't nothing worse than thinking you're doing a great job and then have an owner just like absolutely just devastate you because, you know, he's concerned about you left 5 minutes early or something, or 5 minutes before 5 or something. I don't know. So I'm gonna get mentally ready for that. Hopefully it's not gonna be a thing though. Anyway, I'm gonna make him poop and I'm gonna get to doozy stuff and I'll show you the unboxing. And we'll both be surprised because I don't know what I got. Okay, so for the moment we've all been waiting for. What did Chad order? Oh! Oh, I forgot. I got that guy. Yeah. Sweet. Totally forgot. Wow. Cool. What else did I get? A hat box ghost thing. Is that all I got? I thought I got something else. Did I just get 2 things? Really? Huh. Well, that's cool. I got the plush though, because I do like it. I got another jar because Lord knows I need one. And that's the one I got today. I don't think I have them all. I've only got 6, 7, 8, no, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I only got 8. Yeah. I was just sitting here and I like 1, 2, 3, 4. All the cats but Whitey. I don't know why. They're all licking too. Oh, it's Tab Johnson. Here comes Tab Johnson. Alright, so cat's being loud. You won't be quiet. It's 10:21. Corinne just got home. So we did a couple termite jobs, got a surprise Disney box, and you got to see some step trenches. So we'll see what tomorrow holds.